Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. After that, click on this sweater next to Adaptive Brightness feature. And wait! As you can see, Auto Brightness is now on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same one again. If you wish to, you can go into Tab menu instead and manage this feature by clicking on this shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!